Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're gonna be playing some Build-A-Boat. I played this game a while ago, but I quit for a bit. So we're not gonna put enough spawns, we're just gonna make a boat. So, let's do it like this. Like maybe like a fat chunky boat. Be nice. And then we'll just like go parkour. And maybe, I'm not good at this. I played like a year ago. So like an eyeball maybe. Mouth. And the ears. Looks kind of like an Oxio, whatever that's called. Some harpoon guns, because I got better at those when I played a while ago. I sucked, but I tried like yesterday. This game's fun. I played a while ago. I tried yesterday because my friends forced me to. But still, some of those, maybe like this on the ears. I don't know, they're making it funky. Like this looks kinda cool. Potions, I guess. Like rockets. Rockets like that, I don't know. Just like a chair to do some parkour back. Like some stars. What is eyes and stars? I don't like that. I heard there's a sword. Well, I know how to get it. I just forgot the code because someone did it for me, I guess. There. Ready to launch, guys? Ready to launch? So where's boat created? Let's go! Yippee! I'm not cheating anymore. I have little rockets. I did like that. Oh god, okay, I can't. Maybe. I'm just gonna show you all the levels. Oh god, okay. Get it now. No. I'm gonna harpoon you. I'm using it. Ooh! I'm gonna be bald soon, because this thing's like kinda bald. I feel like far on a glitch. Oh, I think I can show you how to get that. Okay. Well, it's broken. I'll show you after how to get this cool thing. Really sick. Dope. I die like now. And, this was the level I died on last game. Help me. The heartbeat sucks. Sucks. How do I get rid of it? Oh well. Oof. I want to show you guys how to get this thing, so I'm gonna have to just load it somewhere. But it'll be really quick. It's like a plush. So, I will show you how to get this plush. I forgot how to get this one. This one you need to open the secret door. I forgot the code, so I'm actually gonna try it. But yeah, that one. These are all the plushes I have. But first of all, I just want that. We can do it like So we just have to make our way downtown. That's what we have to do. That's weird. I want to see the levels. Okay, the clock will be after the flower. Got it. Have to make it over there. Make our way downtown. Over there. Oh, this is a scuffed road. Quite scuffed. Almost there. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ships through the sky. I'm gonna get copyright strike. It's supposed to be like right there. This one, scare the crap out of some kids. Sarah just falls in. Maybe. I'll do it in time. Yes. Okay, so you have to go in here. There'll be a lever. Pull it. Then this will open up. You jump straight down, try to dodge these things. And I don't think I can climb it because I already climbed it, but here's a plush. Maybe I can climb it again now. And you just go on this plush and get it. And that's how you get that plush. Now I'll help you get the other plush. And then we'll end off the video there. So for the other plush, first of all, I'm going to just make a little boat to get over there. Hold up. This seems like everybody knows about, but still I'm going to show you. Well, this is their waterfall. Well, you just have to try to make it into here, like right there. So it's yellow, red. Follow my book how you have to put in yellow. Oh, or not. No, I messed up. Jesus. Oh, man. Okay, sorry. You don't follow me. Here, let me hold up. Let me do it one more time. Sorry, I'm a bad kid. But still, I'll figure it out. It's like, I remember it. Yeah, I can remember it. Try. Well, also, this is a way to get the sword. I can help you. Maybe I can do that later. Just like help him how to get the sword. That might be helpful. I don't know. You don't have it. So it's supposed to be yellow, red, yellow, and then red. Someone already turned on that. Yellow. So then pink, blue. So it's supposed to be like this, yellow. Someone already turned it on, so I can't do it. But yellow, this one, red, right here, if you see my mouse bar. This light red. Then this light pink. And this light blue. And then this over here. This like green right here. Right here. So when you come in here, I'll help you get the sword. It's like you have to do the same one, but like different. Just step on this and you get this plush. Pretty epic, right? But yeah, that's how you get the plushies. So thanks for watching my vid, and see you all next time.